Showing you how to install this mobile unit. First took out it like very gently like this. Now first do all the connections. This is the camera cable, and you see all these both end are same. There are 3 pins are there. According to groove, push it and then lock it like this. And the other part of this cable, put it on the camera hole and then lock it. In the same way you will find the LED lights, the light source. Grooves are there, put one part here. There are 2 holes are there. Put it like this, lock it, and in the same way the other end, lock it here like this, and then again lock it. Now camera and light source both are connected. Once both are connected, I will show you the camera point, how to take out this end. Unscrew it and then do it so that this cover will come out. This is the cover for the protection of the camera. Now I will show you the back of this. Is the power cable. The one part is going to the electricity and 3 point, and the other point is going to the back of it. Push it and then switch on this. Once it is switched on, light will come, reflect. As you know, I am coming to the front part of the machine. Once you switch on it, the red kind of light will come, and after that put the cam 2 button, switch on it. Once you push the cam 2 button, in a monitor red light will come, and then again push this button. The bluish light will come, and then it will take a 1 or 2 seconds to initializing. Now the pictures are start coming. This is the focus ring of a camera. You can focus it. Now I will show you how to connect the cinescope. This is a very important part, how to connect the cinescope, because cinescope is very costly. These are the 2 screws. Yeah, this screw is for the locking and unlocking, and then this is the spring kind of connection. Now put the cinescope inside it like this. He unscrew it and put it like this. Once you put it, then lock the cinescope like this. He is locking it. So once you complete lock it, then telescope will not come out. And if you want to rotate the cinescope, just 1 or 2 times unscrew it, and now it will rotate like this. Do not unscrew it 4 or 5 times. Just unscrew it 1 or 2 times so the telescope will not come. And if you want to stick it, then make a 2-3 more screws. Yeah, like this. No, you see, telescope is very stick. So it is up to you. If you want to rotate it, just unscrew it 1 or 2 times. Now we are putting the light source like this. Now once the light source is connected, then there in a panel you will find the light button is there. Put the light button, the light will come, and now you will see the image starts coming. And also you can do the white balance. It is the automatic white balance. So for automatic white balance, you have to show the white goes to the telescope, and you see there is a focus ring in that side. Yeah, this is the focus ring. You can, according to this, you can focus the object. And when you want to take out the telescope, yeah, this is the procedure is like this. Yeah, unscrew it and then do it. Again please show it. Now I am showing you again how to take out the telescope. First unscrew it, then do like this, and then take out the telescope. So please take care. Now how to close the machine. He will show you how to close the machine. Now he is taking out like this. First this light source is off. Now he is offing the camera. Camera is off. And now from the back, this light is closing the light. Thank you very much.